Hello friends, this is Ayush, and in this video we'll be discussing the quant section of CAT 2017 morning slot paper. This video will have 6 questions from percentage and profit loss. So let's start with the same. It's question number 1. The question is from percentage. Arun's present age in years is 40% of Barun's age. Okay, so let us assume Barun's age is 100. In that case, Arun's age will be 40. In another few years, since we don't know the number of years, so let us assume after X years, Barun's age will be 100 plus X and Arun's age will be 40 plus X. Arun's age will be half of that of Barun's age. So this 40 plus X will be half of 100 plus X. On cross multiplying, we'll have 80 plus 2X equal to 100 plus X. On solving, we'll get X equals to 20. But there was, by what percent will Barun's age increase during this period? Barun's initial age was 100 and now it became 120. So there is an increment of 20 over 100 into 100, which results into 20%. So the correct answer for this question is 20%. So let's move to the next question, question number 2. Question number 2 is on the screen. Let's try to figure it out. Ravi invests 50% of its monthly savings in fixed deposits, right? So let us assume monthly savings is 100x for Ravi. Out of this, 50%, that is 50x goes to fixed deposits FD. 30% of the rest, पहले rest calculate कर लेता हूँ, so the rest will be 50x. ये remaining है, rest है. इसका 30%, 30% of 50x will be 15x. 30% of the rest goes into stocks. तो ये आपका stocks में चला गया. Remaining आपके पास बचा 35x. This 35x goes to savings bank account. तो ये savings में चला गया बैंक में. Right? If the total amount deposited by him in the bank from savings account and deposit fixed deposits, तो बैंक में वो deposit जो कर रहा है that is 50x of FD plus 35x of savings account, which results into a total of 59500. Right? So if we'll calculate this, 85x equals to 59500 आ जाएगा and x equals to 59500 upon 85, which on cancellation will give 700. What they've asked is Ravi's total monthly savings 100x tha, putting x equals to 700, we'll get the answer as 70,000. So the correct answer for question number 2 is 70,000. Let's go ahead for the next question. Question number 3 is on the screen. If a seller gives a discount of 15% on the retail price, she still makes a profit of 2%. Right? So starting the question from CP, cost price let it be 100. The profit that we are making it's 2%. So SP should be 102. Also, we are giving a discount of 15%. So this SP of 102 should be equals to 85% of MP because we have given a discount of 15%. Right? So on solving, we'll get MP equals to 100 into 102 upon 85. This is 5, 17 se cancel kiya, 6, this is 1, this is 20, 28, so 6 is 120. Right? Which of the following ensures that she makes a profit of 20%? Now in the same case, when the CP is 100, you want a profit of 20%. Right? So your SP should be 120, which is same as the MP calculated over here. Here we calculated the MP to be 120 and SP is again turning out to be 120. In order to satisfy this situation, we should sell the article at the retail price without giving any discount. So the correct option for question number 3 is option D, sell at the retail price. Let's go ahead for the next question. Question number 4 is on the screen. The number of girls appearing for an admission test is twice the number of boys. Right? So I'm assuming there were 100 boys who were taking the test. So there will be 200 girls who were taking the test because that's twice the number of boys. If 30% of the girls matlab 60 girls and 45% of the boys got admission. So ये pass हो गए and boys में से 45% means 45 boys passed. तो fail कितना हुआ? 55 boys and here fail will be 140. Right? The percentage of candidates who did not get admission is, so total candidates who did not get admission is 55 plus 40, that is a total of 195. And this 195 is out of a total of 300 students who did not get the, who is the total number of students who appeared for the test. So on solving, we'll get the answer as 65%. So 65% of the candidates did not get any admission, right? So the correct answer for question number 4 is option D. Let's go ahead to the next question. Question number 5 is on the screen. In a market, the price of medium quality mangoes is half that of good quality mangoes, right? So I'm assuming a good quality mango, a CP is 100. So for a medium quality mango, the CP will be 50. Okay, आगे दे रखा है if shopkeeper buys 80 kilo good mango, good quality mangoes, so total CP इसमें कितना हो जाएगा? 80 kilo का, that will be 8,000, and 40 kg medium quality mangoes. So here total CP will be 40 into 50, that is 2,000, right? So overall CP आ जाएगा आपके पास 10,000. Now what is given to you? And sells these at a common price which is 10% less than the price at which he bought the good ones. So selling price per kg हो जाएगा 10% less than the cost price of good mangoes, that is 100 ka 10% less, which is 90, and total kgs is, total quantity is 120. So total SP will be 120 into 90, that is 10800. So आपने overall 10,000 में purchase किया था, and आपने उसको overall 10,800 में sell कर दिया. What they've asked is his overall profit. So profit, there is a 800 ka profit over 10,000 the CP into 100, which on solving will give you 8% profit, which is the correct answer for this question. So for question number 5, the correct answer is option B, that is 8%. Let's go ahead to the next question. Question number 6. It's on the screen. Let's try to solve it out. If Fatima sells 60 identical toys at a discount of 40%, okay, so CP of one toy, I assume कर लेता हूँ 100 rupees, right? So CP of 60 toy will be 6,000 rupees, right? And she makes a profit of 20%. Profit is 20%. So SP कितना हो जाएगा अपना? SP of 60 toys हो जाएगा अपना 6,000 into 120 upon 100, which is equals to 7200, right? And this SP is obtained when there is a discount of 40%. So discount आपका 40% था. Let's try to calculate MP. MP कितना हो गया? MP will be 7200 into 100 upon 60, which on solving will give you 12,000. So the MP of 60 toys is 12,000. Now what is given to you? 10 toys were destroyed in fire. 10 toy आपके fire में destroy हो गए. So you were left with 50 toys only. 50 toys were left. Now, while selling the rest, how much discount should be given on the printed price so that she can make the same amount of profit? देखिए, आपका 50 टॉयज डिस्ट्रॉय हो गए, उसके 10 टॉयज डिस्ट्रॉय हो गए, उसके बाद भी आपका सीपी तो 6,000 ही रहा, बिकॉज आपने परचेज तो सारे किए थे. आपको एसपी अभी भी उतना ही रखना है 7200, बिकॉज आपको प्रॉफिट उतना ही अमाउंट का चाहिए, और आपका एमपी अभी केवल 10,000 रह गया फॉर 50 टॉयज, राइट? सो द डिस्काउंट दैट यू विल बी गिविंग इज 2,800 over a total of 10,000 MP into 100, which is 28%. Right? So the correct answer for question number 6 is option D, that is 28%. Right? So with this, we are done with all the questions from percentage and profit loss in CAT 2017 morning slot paper. I hope all the questions must be clear to you. In case if you have any kind of queries, you can post the doubts on our Facebook page. Thank you for watching the video.